Positive stocks in review: Landmark Cars, NMDC Steel, Hindustan Aeronautics, LIC, Honasa Consumer, Hindalco, CIAN Agro, and NTPC Limited. One small cap stock skyrockets 15% after company's net profit increases by 320% YoY. Synopsis: Landmark Cars posted Q1 FY26 revenue of Rs 1,061.7 crores plus 28% YoY, profit Rs 7.4 crores plus 114% YoY, with EBITDA margin at 6.23% and inventory reduced to 42 days, well below the industry average. During Wednesday's trading session, shares of a leading premium automotive retail network in India surged nearly 15% on BSE, after reporting financial results for Q1 FY26 with a net profit growth of around 320% QoQ and 114% YoY. For Q1 FY26, Landmark Cars reported a consolidated revenue from operations of Rs 1,061.7 crores, down by around 3% QoQ from Rs 1,091.2 crores in Q4 FY25 but a growth of nearly 28% from Rs 832 crores recorded in Q1 FY25. Two NMDC Steel shares jumped 19% as PSU swings to profit in Q1. NMDC Steel, the PSU swung to profitability in the June quarter, reporting a net profit of Rs 26 crore against a net loss of Rs 547 crore in the corresponding period last year. Shares of NMDC Steel soared in Wednesday's trade after the state-run company reported a turnaround to profit in the June quarter Q1 FY26. The stock surged 18.87% to hit a day high of Rs 42.70. It saw high trading volume along with the price action, as around 90.80 LIC shares were last seen changing hands on BSE. The PSU swung to profitability in the June quarter, reporting a net profit of Rs 26 crore against a net loss of Rs 547 crore in the corresponding period last year. Revenue from operations surged 66% year-on-year YoY to Rs 3,365 crore in Q1 FY26. 3 defense stock HAL gains 4% post Q1 results, worth a buy. HAL shares advanced 3.66% to hit a high of Rs 4,567.20 on BSE. HAL shares have come off from their recent high and are currently trading at attractive valuations, Mofslo said. Shares of Hindustan Aeronautics HAL climbed 4% in Wednesday's trade even as the defense major reported a slight miss on revenue, which was offset by better-than-expected margins and higher other income. Stock analysts said HAL's EBITDA margin at 26.6% was aided by improved gross margin and sharply lower provisions. With engine supplies ramping up from GE for the Tejas Mk1A aircraft order, they expect aircraft deliveries to accelerate in the coming quarters. We anticipate a strong manufacturing order book to support its execution growth. We maintain our estimates and roll forward our target to Rs 5,800 based on the average of DCF and 32x SEP 270 earnings, Mofslo said. 4 Central government may sell 2.5% 3% stake in LIC in first tranche of divestment, report. In the first tranche, the center is considering selling between 2.5% and 3% of its stake in the insurance giant. Motilal Oswal and IDBI Capital are expected to act as bankers for the upcoming offer for sale OFS. The center is preparing to launch road shows within the next 2 weeks to promote its planned divestment in Life Insurance Corporation of India LIC, according to a CNBC TV 18 report on August 13 citing sources. In the first tranche, the center is considering selling between 2.5% and 3% of its stake in the insurance giant. Motilal Oswal and IDBI Capital are expected to act as bankers for the upcoming offer for sale OFS. The precise quantum of shares to be sold and the pricing for the OFS will likely be finalized after the completion of these investor roadshows. Currently, the government holds a 96.5% stake in LIC. Market regulator SEBI has directed the insurer to increase its public shareholding from 3.5% to 10% by May 16, 2027. The Centre's broader disinvestment target for FY26 stands at Rs 47,000 crore, and the LIC stake sale is expected to be a key contributor to this goal. 5 Honasa consumer shares rise 14% after Q1 results. Should you buy, sell, or hold? Honasa consumer shares surged 14% during the trading session on Wednesday after announcing its quarterly results on Tuesday. Honasa consumer shares surged 14% during the trading session on Wednesday after the company saw some positive brokerage reports and upgrades after announcing its quarterly results on Tuesday. However, some brokerage firms continue to remain negative on the counter as well. Q1 results. Honasa Consumer posted a net profit of Rs 41 crore for the June 2025 quarter, up 2.7% on a year-on-year YoY basis. Its revenue rose 7% YoY to Rs 595 crore, but EBITDA came in flat at Rs 46 crore. However, margins dropped to 7.7% for the reported period. 6 Hindalco surges 6% post Q1 profit. Axis Securities retains buy rating, no why. The stock climbed nearly 29% from its 52-week low of Rs 546.25 apiece. Shares of Hindalco Industries rose over 10% in the past 6 months. Hindalco Industries Ltd shares jumped 6% in Wednesday's trade after the aluminium manufacturer reported a 30% year-on-year YoY surge in net profit to Rs 4,004 crore for the June quarter, up from Rs 3,074 crore in the corresponding period last year. Consolidated revenue from operations for the quarter climbed 12.7% year-on-year to Rs 64,232 crore, against Rs 57,013 crore in the same period last year. Axis Securities said Hindalco's Indian operations remained resilient, offsetting the weakness in Novelis due to tariff impact. The brokerage noted that Q1 FY26 consolidated revenue came in line with estimates, while EBITDA at Rs 8,075 crore was a 10% beat, led by strong aluminium performance. Underlying PAT stood at Rs 4,004 crore, up 18% YoY but down 24% QoQ, a 13% miss led by higher EBITDA. Axis Securities said. 752,100% profit growth. FMCG stock hits 5% upper circuit after reporting robust Q1 results. Synopsis, CIAN Agro Industries and Infrastructure Ltd reported a 2,820% increase in Q1 revenue to 511 crore YoY, while its net profit grew 52,100% YoY to 52.2 crore. The shares of the small-cap company, specializing in agro-based industries and infrastructure development, focusing on sectors such as food processing, agriculture infrastructure, and related services, hit a 5% upper circuit following their Q1 results with a 52,100% rise in profit YoY. Its revenue from operations rose by 2,820% YoY from Rs 17.5 crores in Q1 FY25 to Rs 511 crores in Q1 FY26, and it rose by 4% QoQ from Rs 490 crores in Q4 FY25 to Rs 511 crores in Q1 FY26. Its net profit YoY rose by 52,100% from Rs 0.10 crores in Q1 FY25 to Rs 52.2 crores in Q1 FY26, and it rose by 524% QoQ from Rs 8.36 crores in Q4 FY25 to Rs 52.2 crores in Q1 FY26. The earnings per share EPS for the quarter stood at Rs 18.66, compared to Rs 2.99 in the previous quarter. 8 NTPC to execute Rs 8,146 crore hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh. NTPC stock closed on a flat note at Rs 339.95 on BSE. NTPC's market cap stood at Rs 3.29 lakh crore. NTPC on Wednesday said the government has approved investment of Rs 8,146.21 crore for construction of Tato 2 hydroelectric project HEP in Shiyomi district of Arunachal Pradesh. The announcement was made after market hours today. NTPC stock closed on a flat note at Rs 339.95 on BSE. NTPC's market cap stood at Rs 3.29 lakh crore. Total 1.48 lakh shares changed hands amounting to a turnover of Rs 5.05 crore on BSE. The stock has gained 60% in 2 years and risen 114% in 3 years. It rose 290% in the last 5 years. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi today has approved investment of Rs 8,146.21 crore for construction of Tato 2 hydroelectric project HEP in Shiyomi district of Arunachal Pradesh, said NTPC. The estimated completion period for the project is 72 months. The project has an installed capacity of 700 MW. 4x 175 MW would produce 2,738.06 mu of energy. The power generated from this project will help improve the power supply position in Arunachal Pradesh and will also help in balancing of the national grid. The project will be implemented through a joint venture co between Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Ltd. NEPCO and the Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Government of India shall extend Rs 458.79 crore as budgetary support for construction of roads, bridges, and associated transmission line under enabling infrastructure besides central financial assistance of Rs 436.13 crore towards equity share of the state, added NTPC.